actually felt like I was about to blow away. Oh my god. It's so windy. Come on, Zippy. Quick. Come on. Out there. Whoa. You crazy doggy. You crazy doggy, aren't you? You crazy doggy. Yes, you are. Oh, bless her. Bless her. He's so cute. Okay. Okay, I don't know why I said that really weirdly. Oh, little Aurora's down. We'll have a look at her in a minute. There she is. Little Ariel. Little Aurora. What are you doing, Zippy? What are you doing? Zippy! Bless her. See, my sister's dog Jack, he's a bit, no, out! No, you're not allowed in the shed. There's little children here. You're not allowed in the shed. I call them rabbit children. Oh, Zippy, come on. We'll have a little play around the garden in a minute. Just, if she goes in, she'll bark because she wants to come out. And when she's out there, or out here, she barks because she wants to go in. Very, very strange dog, but that's what she's like. I'm actually really scared that it's gonna like thunder. I love the thunder. I go on YouTube every night and I type in like thunder music. It's so relaxing. Like, some people find it scary, do you know what I mean? It's like something from a horror movie, but I love it. Like, I love the thunder. I love it so much. I'll give them. Oh, my voice went so weird. This is the most like proper vlog that I've ever done. Oh my god. It's too early in the morning, like, honestly. For me, I'm still getting used to waking up at 7. But anyway, I'll give them some like probably lettuce and maybe carrot in a bit. Oh, I nearly was about to deliver the food with no food in autumn. So I nearly called her Aurora. Too many A's in the family. Ariel, Aurora, Alba, Autumn. Too many A's. Lock this gate for when the rabbits escape. Feed them. This is my little Autumn. I don't know if you're gonna like this. It's not a nice part of the fresh greens. Oh, I think they're just hungry. I think that they will eat pretty much anything. Oh, hello, sweetheart. I'll feed you next, okay? I'll feed you next. I don't know why I'm doing these silly voices this morning. I don't know. Yeah, she seems interested. Must be, not too bad. Zippy! Zip! Come on! It's because I don't want her barking waking the other family up. Really got to do their litter trays today because they're smelly. Look at that little Aurora. She's so cute. She's at the bar, like, let me out. Zip! Zippy! Yes, good girl. Wait a minute. Zip, zip. Got one more rabbit to do. Wait a second, okay? Good girl. Can you wait 2 seconds for me? Okay? Good girl. She's like, you're lying. It's not 2 seconds. It's like a minute. You're lying. Wait a second. Zip, zip. Okay, should we go have a play? I'm actually going to have some playtime with her. She's the sweetest little doggy ever. Zip. Come on, should we do some play? Zip, zip. Zippy. Where the hell has she gone? Honestly, did she go down the bottom? Where the bloomin' hell has she gone? Scoots. Oh, Jackie boy's coming now. Right, this clip's gonna be really long if I don't end it. So all I'm gonna do is energy, get some little exercise, and just have a little run around a little bit with the doggies. Jack, nobody wants to see your bum, alright? Should we go play? Come on, Zippy, go! Come on, and zip zip. She's too busy. No, no, no. Come on, Zippy.